It's a girl Cooley from RFTCG TV, and we're here at Rebel Salute 2K15 with a big bad artist, Nature himself. So Nature, how you feel you perform?
Yes, you know, it's a joy to be here, you know, with the proper health and strength to deliver positive messages to the people. And Rebel Salute, you know, is for the rebels who represent equal rights and justice so that we can achieve peace, you know what I mean, among humanity and all these things. So it's a joy. The people love the vibes. And it's always a good vibe to know that people out there are looking forward for positive messages from artists like Nature. So it's a joy, you know, the people come to listen to Nature and I am here to deliver, and I did.
For 2K15, what we can look out for? Any album, singles?
Right now yes, of course. Right now we're presently working on the album. It will be finished maximum in 2 months' time. Album will be finished, my first album. Then I'll be going off to Europe for a month. And a tour, you know, and be back and tour again, and more tour and more shows. You know, it's all about the most I work. So wherever the most I call me, I'll be there. You know, yeah.
And what inspires you to do positive music?
Well, nature itself. You know, the reaction of mankind watching the television. You know, CNN, Al Jazeera, all these type of things. Yeah, you know, primetime news. Just observing the daily news and observing people, attitude and their ways and characters. And it inspires me, you know. The birds inspire me, you know, the trees inspire me. How humble the trees are, every year they just bear at the same time and provide with their food, you know. And all these wonderful things like the oxygen that we all need, you know what I mean? So all these things inspire me. For example, I just did a song titled Preserve Nature. And the World Nature Organization loved it. We shot a video for it, and right now it's going to be doing great things right now, working into preserving nature, because so many animals right now have been extinct. So many plants and all these things. So we got to look forward to preserve the animals and the trees so that in return these things can preserve us, because you know the trees provide food, clothing and shelter, and we cut down all the trees. So many chaos, you know, soil erosion, so much flooding. We can go on and on, but nature is all about positivity. Yes, I am.
See, Nature, you have to leave us with a positive lyrics.
World peace. Yes, everything is everything. This is Nature representing TCG TV. Everything is everything. In RFTCG TV, don't you know? Talking about a revolution sound. Do it. Yes, Nature representing.
Hear it from the man himself, Nature. Rip up the stage. Yeah. Love the vibes and the energy you bring to the crowd, and continue keeping it up. Alright.
Here, this is their artist, but hey, they're sharing him with the world right here. On stage, Rebel Salute 2015. Watch you know, this is part of the celebration for the man who had his earth strong yesterday. Rebel, big up yourself. I want to hold it for noise for the man that some other people call Nature. But Jenny said Nature! Make him welcome! Sure. That's super right. Well, I look in the east, west, north and south. Rumors of war breaking all about. Well, I say it's time to unite. Hey, Rebel Salute. Yeah. come to pass. Heaven and earth shall pass away. Up front, you faithful servants of Jah. Revolution. Mama, 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 papa, papa, sister, brother, look here. Hey, listen up. The system got to change, got to get it rearranged. We gotta change it right now. I said, don't you know? Talking about politics. Well, you know your feet, prophets revealing. Yeah, rubber salute to them. Mama, 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 papa, papa, sister, brother, look here, look here. The system got to change, got to get it rearranged. We gotta change it right now, I say. Don't you know? Talking about a revolution. In a country I thought, don't you know? All the blood of the poor people's sound. Yeah, yeah. On earth, standing in the voting lines. Watch out now! Right on the doorsteps of those so-called politicians. Wasting time, acting like you're blind. I now go sit around, waiting on popular attention. I say, don't you know? Talking about revolution sound. The trying mind. And this one is for the lion them, the king man them, and no a real trying woman. We're working for the honest bread, day and night. Little piece of my story, piece of my story. A piece of my life, piece of my life, piece of my run the story, watch it now. Took a trip from the country, reached in OGUC for my music career. Did not have a place to stay, but I prayed to jump for a better day. Rastaman never stay. Try it, man. Try it, man. Working for a better situation. Try it, man. And try it more. They working on for a solution. Do you know this one? Oh, the shaman roll. Only my hungry belly beginning there. Already from a day, eggplant. Mama man, plant and charity. Only my hungry belly. Yeah, watch your name. Try it, man. Try it, man. Working on the better. Got to make it. Got to make it. Got to make it. Got to make it. Got to. Say to yourself, doctor, princess, what you searching for? I did this song about 7 years ago, you know. Tell me, why are you wasting your time searching for love?
it's a necktie. I might not be a high mute. Of course, the most expensive clothes and name brand boots. But there is no other that will love you like nature. And that's what you need to discover, girl. Where you wasting your time searching for love. Now you're right here to give you all the love you need, girl. Where you wasting your time searching for love. Now you're right here to give you all the love. Make your worries done. You know you want the action. You don't be just about anybody want you when you used to look. Shawty, ready for die alone in your zone. Hey girl, because I saw you in a different light. Right. You are the number wonderful personally. I hear the trees crying out, saying hurt us no more. No, cutting down too many of us. It causes soil erosion and too much soil erosion. Too much blood in the land. Let us preserve nature for a better future. A human being, hey, let us preserve nature for a better future. Let's keep the cycle purity. I hear the birds complain. Do not forget the great ones who came before us. Get on. Mama Africa, Mama Africa. Rebel salute, nation represented. Hello, Mama Africa. How are you? Rebel salute, feeling fine, and I hope you're right too. Hello, Mama Africa, how are you? Well, I hope that you hear these words. Your baby's brand new. Bounce along. Baby, I'm gonna call you home. Only I need for you tonight. My poor body's lonely and need attention fast. Don't you understand me, baby? That's how long it's gonna last. You black papa, you know when we love you, my heart back. You are home. Pretty try, but you will steal my honey. Ready to try, gonna get